जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 21st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that because of past lives impressions, because of sinful activities, a devotee would not come and surrender to me, but that devotee would go to other devatas, whereas all the devatas are my manifestations. That means all the devatas are like my body. That is why any devotee, whichever the devata swarupam he desires to worship, I am the one who makes his faith towards that devata unflinching and unshakable. I help that devotee to have his faith unshakable towards that devata swarupam. Like that, Krishna Paramatma saying that whatever the form that you choose to worship, he is assuring that that aradhana would not go waste. That is how Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing his compassion, having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha shraddhayarchitum ichchati tasya tasyachalam shraddham tameva vidadhami aham. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra. O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, having Prajapati as Adhishtana Devata, all the private organs comes into existence to all the souls, all the bodies. And then Retas comes into existence. With the help of this Retas, all the souls who are in the bodies will be able to understand the happiness, experience the happiness. And then Vidura, Vayuvu is another organ, the air. Its place is a bottom opening of the body from where the wastage is released. And then for this place the Adhishtana Devata is Mitra. And after that hands comes into existence. And there is another organ known as Indriya, known as Pani. Pani gets into this hands. Indra is Adhishtana Devata to these hands. And with these hands, the souls will be able to lead their life. After that, 2 feet comes into existence, 2 legs. And for that, Vishnu is Adhishtana Devata. With this, souls will be able to travel and reach where they want to reach. After that, Hrudayam comes into existence, heart. For this, Indriya is Manas. And Chandra is Adhishtana Devata to this Manas. With this, souls will be able to resolve to do that, dissolve to do anything. And this Hrudayam is also known as Antahkaranam. Based on the activities that this Hrudayam does, this is called with 4 names. Because this Hrudayam does Sankalpa Vikalpa, it's also called as Manas. Because this Hrudayam gives you a firm knowledge, this is also known as Buddhi. Because this makes you feel that I am the body, which is known as Ahankaram. So it's also called as Ahankaram. For this ahankaram, Rudra is adhishtana devata. And because it gives you a discriminative knowledge, what is right, what is wrong, something like that. That is why this is also known as chittamu. So Hridayam is called with 4 names: Manas, Buddhi, Ahankaram, Chittam, based on the activities that Hridayam does. And for this Chittam, Adhishtana Devata is Prajapati. Like this, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 21st sloka. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha shraddhayarchitum ichchati tasyachalam shraddham tameva vidadhami aham. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha shraddhayarchitumichchati tasyachalam shraddham tameva vidadhamyaham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.